Tortoise's Mindfulness, an amazing story. In a lush green forest, a tortoise named Toby lived peacefully. Unlike the other animals, Toby moved slowly, taking his time to enjoy every step. The rabbits rushed, the squirrels darted, and the birds flitted from tree to tree, always in a hurry. One day, a young rabbit named Rhea complained, "Toby, why are you so slow? You're missing out on everything." Toby smiled. "Am I? Look around," he said. Rhea stopped and noticed the gentle rustling of leaves, the soft scent of flowers, and the warmth of the sun on her fur. She had never paid attention before. As they walked together, Toby showed Rhea how to enjoy the moment, feeling the cool breeze, listening to birdsong, and appreciating the beauty around them. Later that evening, Rhea realized she felt calm and happy, something she never felt when rushing. "Toby, I think I understand now. Slowing down helps me see the world better." Toby nodded. Life isn't about speed, but about enjoying the journey. Moral: mindfulness brings happiness. When we slow down and appreciate the present moment, we find more joy in life. Thank you for watching.